Don't buy a new construction home in Denver until you watch this video. Buying an existing home, that's like playing checkers. Stepping into new construction, that's like playing 3D chess. It's exciting for sure, but that's where you want a grandmaster by your side, and that's where I come in. Remember, the builder's reps are great, but they are driving the other car. To ensure that I am there in your passenger seat, guiding you every step of the way, I need to be with you prior to your first visit or get you registered online with the builder. Don't go it alone. Quick tips for navigating new construction. All the glitter in a model home isn't exactly gold. It's my job to peek behind the curtains and see what the builder's rep is really up to and how the construction looks in a new home. We're talking quality, not just quartz and countertops. 2, strap in and buckle up. A bit of a rush of choices, decisions, and options, and then it's a waiting game. It could be 8, 10, 12 months, and then we're obviously always subject to the whims of supply chains and our weather here in Colorado. 3, selling your old place, timing is tighter than a drum. Most builders don't juggle contingencies too well unless your current pad is under contract. Let's strategize so your next transition is smooth as jazz. Thinking buying new construction might be your jam? Well, with the right strategy, buying new homes and new construction isn't just possible, it's a walk in the park. Let's lay the groundwork for your dream home together. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, connect with me, and let's get started on your dreams.